Remember when they said you can't have it all? They haven't been to Nigri Pradikaran. This isn't just another Pune neighborhood. It's a place where morning joggers greet shopkeepers by their names. Where kids play cricket in parks that stay green year round. Where evenings feel like community celebrations. And right here, tucked between the hustle and the calm, stands something that's about to change how Pune thinks about luxury. This is Prabhu Imperia. This is not just another apartment building. It is built different. And no, we're not just talking about the tiles. This is what happens when the Prabhu Construction Group asks, what if we build homes like we are building them for our own families? Let's talk about the word villament. Imagine telling your friends, I don't live in an apartment. I don't even live in a villa. I live in a villament. It's an entire floor that's all yours. 2,270 square feet of wow. No neighbor sharing your wall or floor. No footsteps above you at midnight. Just pure uninterrupted luxury. And with only 6 villaments in the entire building, this isn't just exclusive, it's practically a private club. When you enter your villament, you'll get a massive lounge area. Welcome to the heart of a home, the living room. You'll find this spacious living space where you can arrange your sofa sets comfortably. Look at this wall, where a provision is already provided to mount your TV. For light and ventilation, you'll find these 2 attached windows and a massive balcony. Now, let's talk about this spacious attached balcony. Next to the balcony, you'll find a dedicated puja space. Before checking out the dining and the kitchen area, let's have a look at the first master bedroom. Even after putting a king-size bed, you'll find ample amount of space in the entire bedroom. There is no artificial light in the bedroom, just the natural sunlight from the 2 windows, which also makes it a very well-ventilated space. This is your first master bathroom. Please check it out. In this washroom, you'll get anti-skid tiles on the floor along with the dado tiles on the wall. You'll find CP and sanitary fittings of Jaguar or an equivalent brand. Now let's check the dining area. As we move forward, step into the dining area, which is seamlessly connected to the kitchen, making it a perfect spot for all the family meals. You can comfortably fit the 6, 8 or even 10-seater dining table with a chandelier on top, giving it that exclusive feeling. Now, let's move further. A basin provided in the corner of the dining area for easy accessibility. Now let's explore the soul of the house, the kitchen area. Take a look at the kitchen. It's spacious and an inviting spot. An L-shaped platform in the kitchen where you can easily access your kitchen gadgets. We know the importance of sunlight in the kitchen, and that is why we've given you 2 windows and a dedicated space for the refrigerator. A space provided for the trolleys and the crockery boxes. And here you'll get the separate dry balcony area where you can place your dishwasher and the washing machine. Now let's check out the common washroom. Now let's move to your second bedroom. This bedroom can be used as a kid's bedroom or a guest bedroom. Now time for the second master bedroom. Wow, such a massive space. A top-notch space designed for comfort and style. Now let's move to the master washroom. With high ceilings and ample width, this washroom provides exceptional space. Even someone 5'7" like me feels small in here. The CP and the sanitary fittings is provided by Jaguar. If you remove this basin, you can place your bathtub in this area. This additional space is for your wardrobe. Now, let's move to the attached balcony. This attached spacious balcony comes with 3 covered sides, and this attached spacious balcony comes with anti-skid tiles and a beautiful view. Oh, and did I mention 3 car parkings per Villa Mint in Nigri? That's not just rare, that's practically unheard of. And then there's this, the Prabhu Imperia penthouse. 3,200 square feet spread across 2 floors. 5 bedrooms that redefine space. We could show you more, but some things you need to experience in person. This isn't just the best address in Nigri. It might be the most impressive home in all of Pradhikaran. Location? Let's talk about it. Morning school run, 5 minutes. Medical emergency, the hospital's right there. Shopping therapy, take your pick. Weekend getaway, jump on the expressway. When you live in Pradhikaran, the city revolves around you. And after a hectic day, come home to streets lined with trees instead of traffic. The air feels different, where your blood pressure drops the moment you enter the neighborhood. Prabhu Imperia. This isn't just where you live, this is where you'll thrive. Contact us now. Some decisions define decades.